Okay, so, oh yeah. So I'm pretty sure most of you are wondering what on earth is this. Well, I'll tell you. It's an electric drum set, but where the drumsticks, it doesn't use drumsticks. So I call it not a drum set. I call this instrument that I invented a push button. So watch this. So look at this. So if you zoom, so look at this. This thing that I'm touching is called a microprocessor, but you can use it to microprocess a computer. So look at all this. All that I had to do for that is connect all of it with these. I connected it to the speaker to make it do this. Then for these buttons that I press, that's why I call it the push button, because of the buttons that you press. Those are like the main things that you press to make it work. So you see here, you see these B and A. So those are the two keys. Well, soon once I'm doing it, some people might, if I ever like spread this invention around to everybody, some people might call it the keys. Some people might call it the super keys. But what like the original, what I call the original name for it is tuning keys. So you can actually, I'll show you what I got in a second, so I'll be right back. If you want to look at the instructions, here are the instructions here. These are the instructions that I used. So I'll put this right here. And what it really does,